Hi there, welcome back to Old Handyman. My name's Brian. Today we're going to be working on putting some heat shrink on an iPhone cord. I put some on the other day, but it split a little more. That way you can get a lot more life out of it. That's what I like about it. So anyway, here we go. Okay, I'm going to get my shrink gun, heat gun out. Let's get her plugged in over here. Okay. Now here's my heat shrink, guys. So they make them to pretty much fit the wires. So a lot of times your wires like split. You have to cut it and resolder it. Put that, you get that to fit on. But I put a little bit bigger one on. That'll go over the end of the charging cord. So let's see what we can find here. Okay. Light here today. Let's see. Okay, I don't know. I don't think that will fit over it. Let's see. No. Let's see if this is big enough. That'll fit over it. These others are way big, I think. This one might be better. Let's see, that might have been the one I used first time. Yeah, that'll work. So you can see the split right there. So I'm going to go over just a little bit. I'll move this back out of the way. I'll get my gun going here. See how that thing's shrinking down around there. Looks really nice. I wired together a mixer that the cord broke, and then I put these on it a while back. It worked really good. Gonna get a little more here. Okay, it looks pretty good. No more exposed wire. These things you get from the Apple store are really expensive. So anyway, the cheap ones, they don't last long either. But anyway, these seem to last longer. Just when they get a little bit old, sometimes they crack. Now look, right here, I just found another one. So I'm gonna put another one right there. I didn't notice that till just now. I think it was this one. Oh, at the right end. Yeah. So that one's right there. That's the only other one I can see, I think. Yeah, it's just got a little dirt on it, so I need to clean it. Okay, here we go again. Don't get it too close to your hand, it'll burn you. Hello, it's hot. Anyway, let's see, that looks pretty good. Anyway, this will be good for another while. So, hey, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. When you like the channel, it helps a lot. And we appreciate you watching. Thanks. This is one that we got quite a few years ago. A red one from Amazon. It's an iPhone cord. It's just an off-brand one. But anyway, I put it on, but it keeps slipping off the end here. So I'm going to try to heat shrink it a little bit more. Because the end was starting to ravel a little bit right next to where the plug was. I want it to be able to stay there so it won't screw up the end anymore. Pretty hot. Let it cool down a little bit. See how that worked. Yeah, it's a little warm. I think it's going to stay on now. Anyway, there's another one. Good for another long time, I hope. So I've got these lights here on across my gazebo. And they don't work anymore. They've been out in the weather for a while. They've been on there for a few years. Now these big ones that are around the sides here still work pretty good. So I'm gonna leave them on. So anyway, we'll get to it. Okay, these are all hooked up with wire ties. That's broke. And we're ready to come down. They're all crumbling. The sun is rotting them. Look at that one. So is that one. I don't even need to cut them. Yeah, they're just popping right off. wires. I have to get up on the ladder. Too short. What's going on here? What's all that noise in the background? Oh my gosh. Sorry about that, guys. zip ties. Come on, man. I guess the proper word for them is the zip ties. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. See you on the next one. I'll have to tell you about that toilet in the next one.